So in this video we're gonna write expressions from word problems. So I'm gonna start with the first one. It says Jason was fixing up his car. His radio cost $F. New paint was 3 times the cost of the radio. New rims were $115 less than the paint. How much did Jason spend altogether? So then I'm going to go back through and I'm going to highlight key terms with yellow, and orange is going to be my key numbers. So I'm going to read it one more time and highlight my key terms. So Jason was fixing up his car. His radio cost $F. New paint was 3 times the cost of the radio. New rims were $115 less than the paint. How much did Jason spend altogether? And I'm just going to highlight altogether, and that tells me that I want to add or find the total. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to read it again and highlight my key numbers. So Jason was fixing up his car. His radio cost $F, so I know $F. New paint was 3 times the cost of the radio, and rims were $115 less than the paint. How much did he spend altogether? So now I'm just going to go through. I'm going to write out my key terms with how much or what they equal next to it. So what really helps here is that what's in yellow next to it is going to be what it equals. So the radio, we'll start with radio. Radio equals what? It equals F. And the next would be new paint. So paint equals what? It equals 3 times the cost of the radio. So it kind of already tells us with this word times what we're going to do, what operation we're going to use. So I'm going to do 3 times the cost of the radio, which is F. So 3 times F, which just looks like 3F. Right? A number next to a letter means multiplication. The next one is rims. So the next thing that I highlighted was rims. And rims were $115 less than the paint. So I'm going to take the paint and minus 115. So paint was 3F minus 115. Now I just want all together. So total is just adding all of them together. So F plus 3F plus 3F minus 115. So really I could just get rid of this by using keep change, and I'm going to do that here. So just gonna keep 3F, change the subtraction to addition, and change 115 to its opposite, which is negative 115. So now I just have F plus 3F plus 3F. Everything is addition, so now I can drop the parentheses and keep it like this. I'm going to put all my F's together. I have 1 plus 3 plus 3, which equals 7F plus a negative 115. And we can leave our answer like this. Okay, so for the next one now, we're going to do the same process where we read it, go back, read it, highlight the terms, go back, read it, highlight the numbers. So here's Brenda. Brenda is shopping for a new outfit. Her shirt cost Q. Her jeans were $24 more than her shirt. Her shoes were twice as much as her jeans. How much will her new outfit cost altogether? So again, let's read it again. We have her, Brenda is shopping for a new outfit. Her shirt cost, so we know we're going to need a shirt cost. And her jeans were, so her jeans are costing something, $24 less than her shirt. Her shoes were twice as much as her jeans. How much will her new outfit cost altogether? So again, we want altogether, meaning total. Then we go back, let's figure out our key numbers now. So Brenda's shopping for a new outfit. Her shirt cost Q. Her jeans were $24 more than her shirt. Her shoes were twice as much as her jeans. How much will her outfit cost altogether? So now let's start again with our listing out our key terms, so what's highlighted in yellow. So let's start with our shirt. And we could just go through and say what does it equal, because it's right next to it, highlighted in orange. So what does the shirt cost? It costs Q. And jeans, what does her jeans cost? Now think of the last one where we said less than, right here, was less than the paint, and we subtracted. Less than 115, less than, we subtracted. So now I have more than, so what do you think I'm going to do here? I'm going to take the shirt, and the jeans were more by 24, so I'm going to take the shirt and add 24. Next was the shoes. Can't forget our shoes. The shoes were twice as much as the jeans, so what is that going to look like mathematically? My jeans or my shoes, so I'm going to take the jeans, and what does twice mean? Twice means 2 times, so 2 times the jeans, so take the jeans and multiply by 2, which just looks like this. 2 times the jeans, so twice as much as the jeans, 2 times the jeans. And now we can find our total by adding all of them together. So take my shirt plus my jeans plus my shoes. Now before we can just drop the parentheses, we do need to take care of the distributive property right here. This 2 needs to be multiplied, so 2 times Q plus 2 times 24. And then after we do the multiplication, we can just bring down the rest of the problem. So I have Q plus 24 plus 2Q plus 2 times 24 is 48. Then I can put my Q's together. I have 1 plus 1 plus 2 is 4. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4Q plus, what's 24 plus 48? I believe it is 72. So this would be her total.